Hello, Elrose here, and today we are training for Eurofix shillings because I need more Eurofix shillings to buy my Western saddle. And just before we start, you know who you are, but I really can't decide. I mean, save the what you are. That I don't know where that came from. Anyways, but the way that my horses are going to buy, I'm going to buy a Canamera, and the horses that I'm going to choose, the two horses that it's going to, is either the one in Mistfall that's dark brown, and not the one that has a white mane and light brown, but the dark brown one, or the dotted, the black dots one, and then after that, I'm going to buy another English Thoroughbred. And I'm just going to do this race while we do this talk. Lizzie. Yes, please. Okay. So basically, some people on game, and it's not only you who's subscribed to my channel who said this, it's actually other people on game. And I know that you don't actually mean this. I'm not going to say any names because sure, he might not want to be, like, their name to be on the channel. Not their name, that's not the problem. It's just that they totally apologized and they don't think this anymore, I don't think, but it's other people. People tell me that English Thoroughbreds don't look nice. And first of all, if you say that, it says a lot about how much you like horses. I mean, I think that a true horse lover would not say that judge a horse on its looks. And yeah, I just wanted to be clear on that. So please don't say that any of my horses are ugly because it's just not nice and stuff. But basically, to replicate my horse in real life that I ride, his name is Copper. He is a chestnut, not Mustang, chestnut quarter horse, thoroughbred mix. And I saw this thoroughbred on game. You buy it in Epona, and it's a chestnut color, and I just fell in love with it because it looked so much like my horse in real life. Yeah, I just really loved it. So yeah, we'll be getting that after we buy my pony because I need my pony so that I can finally finish this quest here, which I have literally, no joke, had for like 3 years. Not 3 years, but I've had it since I was non-Star Rider. So, yeah, it's been a little while, okay. I think that the worst mistake of my life, the worst mistake of my life, no. The worst mistake on game that has ever happened to me was probably when I bought a Eurofix starter pony, and then I had it just sitting in its stall for a few days because I was still training Onyx Magic. And then I realized that I could get, I wanted the Icy horse, but I thought I wouldn't have enough star coins to buy it. So I bought the Eurofix starter pony instead. But then I got the calendar thing, I think it was the 300 star coins? Maybe less than that. That's a bit much. But yeah, so I thought, oh dang it, now I just have a little bit less. So I sold that pony. And I really should have asked Global Chat if you could sell a horse, and get your star coins back. But no. The only reason why you should sell your horse is if you want more room in your stable. So yeah, that was just probably the worst mistake on game I've ever made. Oof! Oh my god, I almost died. Fly! Okay, next up, we are going to Actually, we're gonna do Silverglade, Marley's Farm, and then Silverglade Manor, and the Riding Arena, because those are some of my favorite races. And I'm gonna try the barrel race with Onyx Magic. He was really bad at it at first. I had to try to trot him around, and he still sped up to a canter and jumped. Wait, let me just turn it. Why, thank you, horse, for stopping for no reason. Okay, there we go. Just so that I know if somebody's in wild or not. Anyways, yeah, I'll see how it goes. I actually tried to trot him around the barrels, and even then he sped up to a canter and jumped over the barrels. So yeah, I've never done this race on him. I had to bring Wish Brother to do this race, and of course he's a Western horse, so he did it fine, no problem. But yeah, we're just gonna have to do this very slowly. People are gonna look at me extremely weird, but who cares? Easy boy. Maybe a canter. I'll try it at a canter. See, he still tried to jump, but I feel like that's a common shortcut, is to jump. Oh god, I always try to do that shortcut and just bang into that wall. Easy boy, easy boy. Oof. Attempt at shortcut failed. So yeah, he actually did a bit better than I expected him to do, since, as I said, he's not at all good at barrel racing. But yes, he did better than I expected. I'm really glad I didn't have to go and switch to Onyx Magic. I mean, to Wish Brother, I'm sorry. Have I been calling Onyx Magic Wish Brother this entire video? Because I feel like that now. By the way, I've been trying very hard to get on the scoreboard of the Bobcat track. So yeah, if you are on Nightstar, my username is not Ella McBride or Ella something. It's actually Helen Opalroad, because I did not know I know you can name your horse, your starter horse and stuff, when I first got the game. Oof. So yeah, that happened. But yeah, so if you're on Nightstar and you happen to see me, please friend me. I would love that. That would be just so awesome. I'm never changing off of Nightstar because, one, like, the most popular YouTube people are on this server, and of course that's not why I changed servers. One, Rose Snowballwater, one of my friends on the game, they just trail ride and stuff, they were moving servers. So yeah, and that's not why I changed servers either. It's for the YouTubers, so a lot of things just made me want to go onto Nightstar, especially because it's also more popular. And by the way, Sarah Youngcamp, if ever you subscribe to my channel, which I doubt it because I don't know. Why not? Anyways, just subscribe, I beg of you. Anyways, I keep checking the table for you, but you're not there. Where are you, Sarah? Sarah, where are you? Sarah, I keep checking the table, but you're not there. And by the way, did I tell you, I fixed my recorder so I can actually see how much time there's left. And yes. 1 second. Oof, gotta put this in camera mode. Yeah? They don't need to be changed. They don't? No. Okay. Okay, sorry, that's just a trick that I learned from a video, because You can't actually pause online games, but if you go into camera mode, it'll stop the video. It'll stop this time from going down. You'll get a worse ending score, but this won't go down. So yes, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. I don't have too many training adventures. I've got like one other one, which was actually when we were training. I switched for like the levels. But yeah, today we're just training for Yarvik shillings. So yeah. By the way, I know the best shortcut on the game in this race. You'll see in a second if we have time to do that race. Yeah, we will. We should, because estimating, I guess it's going to be about 11 and a half minutes when I've started, when this video is ended. So yes, anyways, we just, maybe, I don't know. Oof. In reverse 2. Yeah. Oof. And I do know that there's a problem. I am so sorry that there's the screen on your screen. You can only see a quarter on your screen of this. I don't know what that is. I might be getting a new recorder. I might be getting Bandicam because I've seen a lot of other people use it. And it seems better. Oh yeah, and I still need to get that camera app. I need to go back to my like videos later so that I can find that. So yeah, that was the shortcut right now. You probably know it. It's kind of easy, especially when you're doing it like the straight way, not the in reverse 2 way. Yes. I can't wait till First Day TV makes another live stream on Star Stable. That would be so cool of them. Oh god, that was just planned out. And you know what? I never ever buy stable care. I'm just telling you guys this now, but I never buy stable care. Oof. Because it's so expensive, and honestly, one of my favorite parts of the day is taking care of my horses. Like, no joke, that is one of my favorite parts on Star Stable, is taking care of my horses. Last night, I edited, like, 20 pictures for Star Stable for my, I edited 20 pictures for my playlist. That's what I was trying to say. Oof. Okay, yep. Just bang into a wall. Did you see that horse? Like, that Frisian is a legend. It just went, pop goes the weasel. It was like a buck, but Frisians can't buck. Only Mustangs can buck. Anyways, here goes. Last race. I think that I'm just gonna have to say goodbye during the middle of the race because I don't think we'll have enough time. No, I'm actually certain we will not have enough time to finish this race because I think it's about 2 minutes long and we do not have 2 minutes. So yes, I'm trying to keep an eye on the time as well as watching my eyes on the race. Anyways, Onyx Magic knows it quite well. By the way, I'm so sorry for that. Not my last realistic roleplay, but the one before that on South Hoof, that one sucked. It was like I forgot to read through the quests at first. Oof. And then I made these terrible voices. Like, I tried to make a new voice for every character, but I just could not do it. And I am still looking at the time. I know we only have like 20 seconds. Oh, please, please, I want to show you this amazing shortcut. Okay, here it is. There we go. It's just so easy to do. Okay, well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Goodbye! Congratulations on your victories. Bye!